Everyone, in today's video, we are going to talk about the DM automation system. Influencers and creators can able to manage leads effortlessly. Whether you're a coach, you're a consultant, or you're a content creator, or if you're running a business with either 0 followers or 20,000 followers, this system can save your time, organize your leads, and boost your conversions by nurturing your leads with the help of ChatGPT assistance. And here's what we're going to cover in this video is like how influencers can effectively control their lead management. The major obstacle of the influencers and creators or agency or coaches, whoever it is, they are getting a lot of inbound leads. Their problem is they don't know how to convert the leads into sale, and we're going to see how this automation system can be implemented in your business, in your Instagram profile, and you can able to convert the leads into sale. Next, we're going to use GHL for integrating your Instagram profile, and it can able to manage your lead. And with using ChatGPT assistance, the lead nurture has been taking place inside the CRM. And I'm going to show you how you can able to implement this system in your business. And by this end of this video, you'll completely understand how the system is being integrated in your business. And I'll be showing you live how you can able to integrate inside your business. So by this end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to automate your lead management and convert followers into paying clients effortlessly. Let's say you have a 20K followers on Instagram and you post a reel asking your audience to comment on your content. So now if just 10% of your audiences has commented, just 2000 comments you have to send by manually. So the question here is like, how are you going to message and qualify each of them manually? Right? Without automations, your leads either get ignored or you waste hours messaging unqualified leads who is not going to convert in the future, and you miss opportunities because you simply don't have time to respond as fast as to your leads. Even hiring a virtual assistant is expensive. They can only handle so much of volume, and human delay leads to the missed opportunities here. So this is where the complete automation system comes in, where it fixes all the problems by qualifying, nurturing, and converting leads automatically. Let me show you how this works. So we are going to integrate ChatGPT assistants inside this DM systems, and we're going to qualify leads, and we're going to increase the response rate, and most importantly, we're going to save time and increase efficiency on this DM system. So let me show you a complete breakdown on how the automation system works. And the step one would be lead engagement through the Instagram comment. The process starts when you post content or reels, asking your followers to comment a keyword phrase. Just for example, you're telling your viewers to comment AI system below to learn more about the coaching program. So within 2 to 10 seconds, someone commenting, the system sends an automatic messaging sequences in their DM. And the best part, it does not feel robotic, it personalized and engaging. And the step two would be contact created in CRM and ChatGPT conversations. Once the lead has commented, the lead has been updated in your CRM, and following that, the ChatGPT conversation will be taking place. Once the lead replies, the system triggers the conversation powered by ChatGPT. If they ask about service, if they ask about the pricing of your product, it gives a friendly response. And most importantly, the qualification sequence begins with the ChatGPT conversation, and you give specific questions to tell your ChatGPT converse with your client, and the lead qualifications will be taking place here. Leads who meet your criteria are flagged as qualified, and rest of the leads are named as an unqualified lead, and they are added to nurturing sequence for future follow-ups. The step three would be data collections and integrations inside the CRMs, because the most important email and phone numbers has been collected, it has been updated inside your CRM. Over time, they might be ready to buy or book a call with you in the future. So the step four would be nurturing unqualified leads with your email marketing, or with your WhatsApp sequences, or with your Instagram sequences. You can able to nurture your leads. Step 5 would be booking appointment with your qualified leads. Once the lead qualification is done by the ChatGPT assistants, with the qualified leads, it has been integrated with your CRM, and the CRM has been updated with your Google Calendar or Zoom Calendar. So what happens if you have a setters or closures, they can able to take a consultation call, post that, and yes, setters or closures can able to follow up, and close the process as per your business systems. So when we are talking about the benefits of this complete automation system, the speed to lead is very important. Within 1 to 2 minutes, your lead has been touched without the human touch, and it is available for 24/7 and without virtual assistants or your appointment setter. By tagging leads as a qualified and unqualified leads and storing them in the CRM, you always know where your prospect lies, and it has a better lead organization. The CRM is a better lead organization, and most importantly, it has a highest conversion because when you respond faster and if you qualify as soon as possible, the closing rate of your team will be quite high. Whether you're having 2K followers or 20,000 followers or 2 lakh followers, irrespective of any influencers, irrespective of any niche, any industry, this system handles large volume of leads effortlessly. So you can able to implement this DM automation system in your business to generate leads and qualified leads, and most importantly, you can able to convert the leads by saving hours of manual efforts. Usually we build and deploy this system in a business. Either you're an influence coach or you're an e-com business, we can able to customize this DM systems based on your different industries. So if you want to implement the system, there is a link in a below, so you can able to click the link and you can able to book the call. Right now the systems are ready. I'm going to show you how the system works on the outline basis, and we are going to do live demo of Instagram keyword automation setup, so you can able to implement that system in your business. Let's dive inside. So what we are going to do is like we're going to use GHL for our automation workflow. I'm going to click create workflow. I'm going to create from the scratch so you can able to understand how the system is being built, so you can able to build by yourself. So I'm going to name it as an AI Insta appointment automation system, and I'm going to set a trigger here. The trigger would be customer replied. So once the customer replied, I'm going to set an ad filter is reply channel. So the reply channel, guys, you can able to do this automation appointment system. You can able to set it for email, Facebook Messenger, GMB messaging, WhatsApp, SMS, live chat, whatever it is, you can able to do it. And right now, as we discussed, I'm going to show for Instagram, so you can able to book an automation appointment system with this. So the next channel will be the content phrase. What it does is like whenever your viewers, followers, whoever replied you in the comment with a certain key phrases, and this system is automatically sends a message. So for me, I'm going to set is like AI employee. So this is my phrase I'm going to set, and I'm going to save the trigger. So what we have done is when your followers replied you in a comment with a certain phrase, so this trigger is activated, then it automatically sends a message to your viewer. So once the trigger has been set, and I'm going to give a condition to wait for this automation for 1 minute, and then I'm going to click this save actions. It's a best practice, always click a save action, and then I'm going to Instagram DM for the action. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to paste this here. You go, here's the link, and here's the link to get the access. So this is what you can able to rearrange your phrase based on your, if you're sending a link, if you're sending a document, you can able to attach a document here and you can able to send it to them. So this is a simple automations, and you can able to copy this, and you can able to, just for example, if you're having a keyword called grow, if you're having a keyword called scale or systems or AI automations, whatever keyword, you just copy this and you can able to replicate it. Either like you create 20 reels or 20 posts or comments or something, and you can able to replicate this system again and again. So what we are going to do is like we are going to nurture, and we're going to make the viewers to convert as a lead, and they're going to book appointment with you. So let's do the next system, and we're going to give a condition here. You're going to give if else condition, and this conditions we are going to create a branch. So the branch is customer replied. You go to this customer replied and make it as a true, and the next branch would be customer replied is equal to false. So contact reply is customer replied is equal to false, and save the trigger. So what we have done is like we have set a trigger, and this trigger is set like once the customer replied, what is the next sequence, once if it is not, once they are not replied, and what is the sequence we can able to set it. So we can finish this one first, and we can able to come this one for the later. So from here, we're going to use ChatGPT's help, and we're going to set ChatGPT's power assistance, and you can able to use 4.0. I'm going to use 4.0 mini. It has some benefits. I'm going to give a prompt to this ChatGPT and tell your job is to set an appointment on Instagram once the lead has reached out, and your job is to send a lead magnet, and second, your job is to have a friendly conversation with them without using a metaphor or adding a exclamation mark or something. So it shows more humanized conversation, and the chat gpt is going to question, based on my business, I'm going to send a link, how long have you been waiting to start a business? This is the action where the chat gpt is going to send it to customer, and you're going to save action. So what happens next? You have to set an Instagram DM. In this Instagram DM, click GPT, open AI, you know, and click the response, and you can able to see and save action. So what we have done, once the lead is been replied, and ChatGPT triggers their message, and ChatGPT talks with them. So the next automation, what we are going to set is we're going to tell the automation to wait for 4 minutes. Along with that, we're going to create an event in our CRM. So the contact reply would be Instagram DM, and we're going to set a timeout of 4 minutes. Save the actions. So this as action is created. So what we have done is like, what if the contact is replied, and what happens the contact is not replied? After 4 minutes, it automatically sends a message. Let's finish this. So we're going to give a prompt to this chat gpt. Tell chat gpt that you're in the middle of the conversation with a potential client. Your job is to ask a potential question to determine if they are interested in starting a new business with AI revenue system, and ask the following question: how soon you wanted to start a business? And you can able to tell ChatGPT to frame the questions based on the conversations your lead is replying. And I would want to make it very simple, like I'm going to give this question. So once I click this action, so the next command would be, I'm going to click this Instagram DM. So the command would be clicking a tag here, ChatGPT, and I'm going to create ChatGPT 2, because this is 2. I'm going to click here. And the response is like, yes, this ChatGPT will be respond in this Instagram DM. And the next sequence is, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to wait for 1 minute, and I'm gonna send qualified link in CM. I'm gonna send the appointment link here. So here's the link to book a one-on-one session, and see you inside the high impact meeting. And you can able to attach your calendar here. So once you click here, you can able to see the calendar here option. So you can use your calendar link and appointment link. Once you've connected with Google Calendar, everything is interconnected in this GHL, so you don't want to worry about anything. And it is, once your lead comes inside, it automatically adds in your CRM. It automatically sends the email conversations. Once the automation between email and WhatsApp and Instagram, Facebook Messenger, LinkedIn, you can able to automate everything on this side. So I'm going to make it this calendar name, I mean calendar link here. So I'm going to save this. What we have done is, like, once the lead replies, and we are trying to make the leads to book a call with us. So what happens if the lead is not replied? We're going to get a help from ChatGPT. So the lead has not responded. So you are going to say, hey, did you get a chance to look into the AI revenue system? And this is the question I wanted to send it. And I'm going to want to save this action. The best practice is, guys, always save the actions once it is done. So yes, the conversation is ended. It has to send to Instagram DM, right? So we need to set this, and the tag would be ChatGPT, and the attributes are 3. So I want to click this respond. I want to save the action. That's pretty good. So now what happens? You can able to make this flow of conversation. Again, you click the ChatGPT. If the lead is responded, book a call. If not, like, end the conversation. Don't scam them too much of time, so it will be annoying to them. After 2 to 3 days, then you can able to reset this automation. You can able to create the workflow. Just want to tell you like how the automation is set. So now what happens if the customer is not responded to you? So you are going to create a condition here. So I'm going to create a if else condition. In this if else condition, I'm going to create a customer. I'm going to create a if else condition here. So in this, you can able to paste customer replied is equal to true, and customer replied is equal to true. And I want to set a next branch of customer replied is equal to false. So I'm going to save this action. So now what happens next is I'm going to tell, okay, before that, what we are going to do is like we're going to tell this automation sequence to wait for 2 hours, and we're going to save this action. After that, we're going to send a DM. So DM would be, hey, the tag is contact first name. Did you get a chance to did you get a chance to look into the AI revenue system? And just save it. And I'm going to create a condition. The conditions would be, what if the customer replied? If the customer replied, I'm going to set a trigger here, go to. So the go to trigger action is set. So now what happens? You just drag this, got it, and you can able to connect with this. What happens once the customer lead replied? It automatically connects with this sequences and the flow goes on. So what if the customer does not reply? Now we are going to create a sequence. The sequence would be Instagram DM, and I'm going to set contact first name. Hey prospect, here is the plug and play AI revenue system to get leads within 24 hours. Here's the link. Here's the link. And then I click. So I'm telling this automation to wait for 2 days, post this. Okay, 2 days. I'm going to save this action, and I'm going to create a condition again, if else condition. So in that, contact replied is equal to true. And I'm going to have another branch, add another branch of contact replied is equal to false. I'm going to save this. So what we have done, we have created a conditions, and I'm going to create a go to sequence in this branch. And I'm going to save this. So in this, I'm going to directly connect with this system. Got it. I think you have got a glimpse about how the Instagram automation has been working. And this system we have created for our internal teams, and we automate our emails and Google My Business, IG, FB, WhatsApp, and all these things has been automated. This is one of the system we have been using inside our. Now, this is the complete conversation history which has been integrated with my system, with all the emails conversation within Facebook. And this is one of the lead. Oh, he commented AI system. This is an automatic message which has been sent. Okay, the system is completely ready for you. If you want to implement the system in your business, just let me know. I can able to help you implement this system in your business, so your appointment setters and closers can able to take the call, so you concentrate on your delivery, and the closers can take concentrate on closing the leads. And the leads flow, you don't want to worry. It's an automation system which you have been ready, and all the conversations has been in one tool, so you can able to run your business with a full potential.